Hello children, now we come to the last part of our video, the new alarm clock. So we had seen in the first 3 videos the importance of time, and regarding the importance of time, this is a story in which Tina was gifted a alarm clock by her friends, and it was a Sudoku alarm clock, and on her birthday the the alarm clock went into action, and we had seen in the third part what happened. Now in the fourth part we will see the after effects. So back in school we were wondering why Tina had not come early. So even after our brilliant efforts, so here we over here is Ajay and Tina. So Ajay and Deepa, so both of them had gifted Tina alarm clock, and they were wondering why. Wondering means they were wondering. They were very curious. Why curious? Curious because they wanted to know what happened after the alarm clock. Why, even after giving the alarm clock, why she did not come on time? वो समय से क्यों नहीं पहुंची? Had not come early even after our brilliant efforts. Brilliant efforts. Why brilliant efforts? Because it was a very good effort done by these children. It was an intelligent effort. It was a new alarm clock of a new type which would wake up Tina on time. Efforts, mehnat, unki activity, the work which they had done. Okay. Tina came later than usual. So she used to come late and she came later than usual. तो हमेशा से वो लेट आती थी, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा आज लेट आई. शी कास्ट अ डर्टी लुक. नाउ डर्टी लुक मीन्स जब हम गंदी नज़रों से देखते हैं. वाई अ डर्टी लुक? अ डर्टी लुक बिकॉज शी हैड कम लेटर देन यूजुअल, एंड they had given her a alarm clock, and because of the alarm clock she was later than usual. That's why she had cast a dirty look upon these two, Deepa and Ajay, and I avoided looking at her. I over here is Ajay. He avoided means he refrained from, he did not look at her. We were having an essay test. So when Deepa arrived, they were having a essay test, and you, Tina, can write about why you came late to school. So Miss Sudipta is saying, Tina, you will write about why you came late to school. Today I'll deal with you. I will deal with you over here means I will see to it why you are always late. Miss Sudipta said later during recess. So this is, we heard the whole story. So Miss Sudipta said, I will deal with you, and later at recess. Recess is break. Recess is break or lunch break. They heard the whole story. What had happened and why Deepa was late. क्यों Deepa late थी? I got very nervous. Who is nervous? Over here the author यानी Ajay is nervous. Nervous over here means worried. Why is he worried and agitated, anxious? What if Tina's mother was so angry that she never invited us to have samosas or anything? So after Tina told them the whole story. Now all the family members, they were very annoyed because they were later than usual. They were late in all their works because mother's lunch was not prepared on time. Ajay Ashu could not go for his basketball practice, and father was also late. Tina was later than usual. So now he thought that now Tina's mother would really be annoyed, and she would not offer them or welcome them, invited them, would not welcome them to have samosas or anything. Okay. After that, A terrible thought, however, Miss Sudipta put things the right next day. I felt like bowing low to her. So, however, a terrible thought. So, this was a terrible thought. It was a dreadful thought. After that we come to, I felt like bowing low to her. I felt like bowing low to her because, why is he saying this? He is saying that because there was something that she had done which had created a better effect. Very creative essay, I should say, Tina. So what did she say? She said, Miss Sudipta said, very creative essay. Creative means a thing which is very creative. Creative means excellent idea, a creative new solution. So that was the creative essay. I should say, Tina, jigsaw clock. So what was the essay she had written about? She had written about the yesterday's event, about the jigsaw clock which she had been presented. Some imagination. So this was the essay she had written, and Miss Sudipta thought that she had written a very good imaginative essay. Ah, A for you and A for you. So it was such a nice essay that इतनी अच्छी ऐसे लिखी गई थी कि उन्होंने ए दिया उसके लिए. टीना स्माइल्ड एट अस ब्रॉडली. ब्रॉडली मीन्स वाइडली. बहुत खुशी से उसने स्माइल किया. कम होम, आ जाना घर पे. मॉम इज़ मेकिंग खीर. तो मॉम आज क्या बना रही है? खीर. शी विस्पर्ड. आई वॉज थ्रिल्ड. थ्रिल्ड मीन्स ओवरजॉयड टू हियर दैट. बहुत खुश हो गया. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी. तो हम देखते हैं कि क्या हुआ कि जब अजय और दीपा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, टीना उस दिन और लेट से आई, और क्योंकि ये लोग इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि इतना इन लोगों ने अपनी इंटेलिजेंट आइडिया लगाया था, उसे जिक्सॉ पज़ल दिया था, उसके बावजूद भी वो लेट है. वी वर हैविंग, और जब वो आई तो उस समय इन लोग का ऐसे टेस्ट चल रहा था. मिस सुदीप्ता ने कहा कि ठीक है टीना, तुम एक ऐसे लिखोगी, क्यों तुम 100,000 वर्ड्स में क्यों तुम स्कूल लेट आई थी. तो टीना ने अपनी ऐसे लिख दिया था जिक्सॉ पज़ल के बारे में. तो और रिसेस के टाइम में उसने अपने टीना ने बताया कि क्या क्या हुआ था सुबह 6 बजे से, क्यों वो लेट आई थी. सुन करके अजय घबरा गया और वो इस संभावना से भी डर गया कि हो सकता है अब टीना की मम्मी हम लोग को वेलकम ना करें. लेकिन इन सब चीज़ों को सही किसने किया? मिस सुदीप्ता ने, क्योंकि जो उसने ऐसे लिखा था टीना ने, उस पे उन्होंने ए दिया और कहा वेरी इमेजिनेटिव एंड क्रिएटिव ऐसे. बहुत ही अच्छा तुमने इमेजिन किया और क्रिएटिव ऐसे लिखा था. तो ये ए पा कर के टीना इतनी खुश हुई कि उसने फिर से अपने दोस्तों को वेलकम किया घर पे, और सभी फिर से खुश हो गए. सो दिस इज़ द ऐसे, एंड वी हैड सीन दैट the story also tells us how difficult it is to get up early in the morning. So to reach school on time is very important, and to do all things on time is also important. So in this story we see the importance of time. All the work should be done on time, and over here Deepa and Ajay help Tina to get to school on time. So this is the story, children. Thank you.